There we go. Just caught that on video. Jeez, there's like a lot of flies over here. Thor's starting to come, as you can probably see because of all this thunder going on. Dang. Dang. Oh yeah, see, more is coming. My God, there's a lot of flies over here. Jeez. Oh my God. Well, what is that? I don't know what that is, but at first I thought that was a dragon. Oh, that would be crazy if... What? Holy crap. Well, I don't even know if I got that full thing on tape. Or no, full on clip. Oh, on clip. Oh, wow. I'm just making a YouTube video with the storm that we're having today. I know that people do this, so that's why I'm doing it. Oh my God. Thor, you are the god of thunder. I know, I'm kidding with the Thor. I'm kidding with the Thor, so YouTube. Look at what's going on in Michigan. In Michigan, we're having a stormy rain today. Oh my God. Oh geez. Well, right now I will be out of here when this is done because I still want to watch. If it keeps pouring rain, then I will stop. Jeez, I thought that was oh my gosh. I thought that was a huge storm I'm hearing. But that sounded like an airplane, so like, geez, there's flies everywhere. Jeez, wow. Oh my God. What the heck? Like, yo, oh, yo, hey, yo. Why am I saying that? It's like all this stuff that people learn from YouTube. It's all that stuff. Oh my gosh. Thor, you're rocking it today. You're rocking it full of storm. Is it your hammer? Here, hold on. Like, it's... Right? It's like... Still... Oh, what the heck? I'm guessing that was a fish that jumped or something. Oh, what? Wow. is gonna be like a I don't know, like what, like a 10-minute video, maybe. If that's possible with me recording just a storm. Oh my goodness. What is that? Oh. Dang. Jeez. You know, I would have to say that catchphrase. What is it? Jazam! Like, look at a ball of thunder. I'm about to say, God, do you love me? God, do you love me? Oh. Oh! Grandma and Grandpa, are you doing good up there? There's a flash of little lightning. I think they are doing okay. Grandma and Grandpa are doing good up there. In their better place. They're in the better place called heaven. That's where you go one day when you die. I miss them so much. I really do. Like, here's me walking with my... Just recording this. I love you, Grandma and Grandpa. I love you very much. I love you too. Alright, well, I'm probably gonna have to stop here. We've seen a lot of thunder we need to see today. It's about to get dark, really dark out anyway. There's a bunch of flies over here too. Alright, I'm about to head back inside. So please be safe with this kind of storm. Well, it's not a huge storm, but it's a little storm. But if anything goes bad, that's where you have to be careful. So hope you all stay praised up. If you all love God and Jesus, then stay praised up, all right? And let me know in the comments if you all love God too. Or if you lost a family member, like how I did. Even my friends did. See? Even Grandpa and Grandpa agrees. Love God no matter what. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, I'll see you all next time. I love you all. Peace.